Let's fix the Discord mic if it's not working on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to make a call on Discord, but the microphone is not working, I'm going to walk you through a few different steps to get that fixed. The first thing I will do is hop into settings here, and then we'll scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Now you can see microphone midway down. We'll tap on that. And you can see right under app clips is Discord. So we want to make sure we toggle that on so that we can use the microphone for Discord. So if this is turned off, of course, you won't be able to make any calls, but just toggle it back on and it should be working. Now, the next thing we'll do is we'll go into Discord itself and let's go back and tap on our profile at the bottom right. Now, if we scroll down here, you can see under app settings is voice. So I can tap on that, and on input mode, you can see the sensitivity here is going back and forth. I can tap on auto sensitivity and turn that off, and basically just turn that sensitivity up. If the other person is having a hard time hearing you, you can just increase that sensitivity, and they'll be able to hear you through whatever microphone you're using. Now you can do a few other things as well. You can have echo cancellation here. You can have noise suppression here for crisp, standard, or none. And then at the bottom, you can have automatic gain control and advanced voice activity. Now keep in mind when you're on a call, you can toggle some of these on and off to see if it works, see if it has a better effect in terms of how easily they can hear your voice and you can hear their voice. So you might want to mess with these settings, toggle them on, toggle them off, change them to get the best voice basically heard and the best audio so that your microphone picks up your voice when you're on a call. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below and I'll catch you on the next one.